What about this? Oh, wrong color. Shiny things. It's rubber. Here it is in black. It's nice and thin. I would say takes up an 1/8 inch or less, maybe 100 thousandths. So this is the same thing. $9 for 4 feet. Okay. Should I get some of this? You think a luxury toolbox lined in beautiful carpet costs a lot? $10 for 16 inches by 72 inches. I'm getting 36 by 48. It's a lot thicker than this. It won't peel up on the edges. It's got some weight to it. It'll lay flat. It won't creep around. Guaranteed. The crafted way. What's that? 22 1/4. By 16 3/8. Let's see how the first one fits. Needs a little bit taken off of it. I got a little curl up going on here. We will trim it off. Try a little heavier knife. That's a much better fit. We'll use this to make the next 5. So these drawers are 11 5/8. By the same depth of 16 3/8. Square off this end and get rid of this radius. Okay, got to cut them all to 16 3/8 now. 16 1/4 fits better. Yeah, that looks real nice. my garage sale toolbox here. I'm going to empty it out into this. My new Craftsman base model, 41-inch base model. And because these narrow drawers are closer to the workbench, this is where I'm going to put all my tools. And on this side, maybe except for the top or top 2 drawers, I'm going to sort out all of our home electronics like disk drives, wall wart, power supplies, various things like that that was in the wire rack. So let's get that knocked out. This is my little in-office studio workshop. Z-benders. I'm going to miss having this top area to pile things into, but I'm going to be able to organize a whole lot better. Just basic organization. All this little kind of stuff been bringing together in one place, so I know where to find it. These are my most commonly used tools in the house, screwdrivers and such. Allen wrenches. Actually a piece of hardware that don't belong in there. A little pry bar, because everybody knows screwdrivers are pry bars, right? Cutting tool. I think I might put that someplace else. Piece of hardware. Wrench. Wrenches don't go in the screwdriver drawer, do they? Cutting tool. We may have a separate drawer for things that cut. Okay, that's got us roughly organized. And what do we got next here? Pliers. Crimping tools. Strippers. Might have too many of some things in the house here. Ooh, snap ring pliers. Pliers. Now this toolbox was too small, so I had some mixed purposes in here. I see I have cutting tools in here, and we have hardware. So I'm going to take these 2 pieces of hardware, throw them in here, start consolidating that. The next drawer is going to be cutting tools. Hammers. Okay, probably going to start getting into these top drawers here. Hammers, clamps, punches, things you hammer on. Ah, this is a little torch. What do we have here? Ball bearings for 3D printing projects, more ball bearings. I'll just go up there for now. We got some computer stuff. Well, we're going to start that down here in the 3rd drawer. Little Dell Axum. Adapter thingy. File is a cutting tool. Stuff for drawing. Let's see, letter opener is a cutting tool. Eraser, I guess that's part of drawing. Probably going to put drawing, hardware, and batteries all in this drawer. Rulers, that's drawing. Let's see, big cutting tool. And I don't know what I'm doing with a hacksaw in the house. I may have to take that outside, I don't know. Let's see, electrical, electronics, little microscope, drill index for in the house, put it in there, oh, pair of binoculars, put that in there for now. Let's see, put the corded drill in here, another one of these things, don't know where the charger is for that. Let's see, batteries in here, heat sinks, and we'll put that with the electronic stuff. We've done a cluster that isn't hooked up. Put that down here. We have a worthless little monitor here.